Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another edition of the Watertown Mayor Robotics Team News. This week we have on special guest Isaac Wandersee, our businessman. But hey, I'm Sam.
And I'm Blake.
Let's get on with this interview. So Wando, there's been a really serious question going around in the robotics world, in the news team, in the robotics world, everywhere, and that is, why'd you cut our budget?
Well, he's gone. So he's not coming back.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think he wants to be in an interview. Hey, we have week 0 that we went to.
You know what? That's right, we did. Blake, why don't you talk a little bit about that? Might as well get us into a normal shtick here.
Well, week 0 was an event that was held at Edina High School, where a bunch of teams went there, I think close to 8 or 10, and we had a little kind of practice competition on their little field. I have some footage that I'll show you now.
See, in the past, robotics competition FRC used to have a 0 week, whereas after that, the robot had to be bagged, tagged, and not worked on until competitions. This changed this year, where bag and tag was completely removed and the robot can be worked on all the way up until competition, if you really want to take that route. But we still do want to have a, end goal for finishing robots, and that was after 6 weeks, meaning this is week 0. So the name stays. It's 0 week, meant to break your robot to make sure that it's all good to go for the actual real competition. Now, our team did pretty decently trying to figure out all the nooks and crannies. No performance was actually tracked, so I can't give you a scoring position, but I can guarantee you we're making rapid progress.
Going back to that breaking your bots thing, bots certainly broke. I know for a fact that our hook came off of our winch, and we are working diligently to try and fix that.
This year's been a really hard-working year, and under the guidance of even some of the people we've interviewed on the show, like Bryce and Larson, the team has really come to accomplish quite a feat.
Yep, they've put forward goals. They've made our team what it is. They've got our robot built in 6 weeks flat, which was just incredible.
See, while 6 weeks was the standard for years at this point, this year's game was really weird, and the takeaway of the bag and tag really made it more open to do the robot and, unfortunately, procrastinate. There was a bit of pride to be had in keeping the team focused, even if it was slightly chaotic focus throughout the entire year. Blake and I really couldn't be more proud of our team.
We've done a great job. Our team members are doing great, especially our mechanical team.
So as this interesting episode of Watertown Mayor Robotics News comes to an end, keep in mind, while we're a news team here, in the field, their work is a whole lot harder. With that said, feel free to follow our social media on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and the like, and remember, add Victoriam.